This is like my fifth year of running the Derby. I started the Derby. I entered a couple derbies and I saw what was happening to the Tiger Muskies. They were taking them and killing them, and most of the guys weren't. They were fishing for the money, not for the food. So I says, I'm going to start my own Derby, and I'm going to do a live catch and release for the Tiger Muskie, so they can have a chance to live rather than get thrown in a dumpster. You know, they can go back in the hole or they can go home for food. You know, give the guys their choice rather than a dumpster. So that's why I started it, and everybody likes it, so I keep it going.
Hold that right out there for him.
Definitely.
I just reset this step up 2 seconds ago.
Wow.
I was going to that one to do it.
Gorgeous, man. Congratulations.
Oh!
7 pounds, 76.76.
I think he weighted at just over 6 pounds, almost 27 inches. Caught it on a little dot with a live minnow on it. Marked in about 9 feet of water. It holds your pole and set it in there, set it in the hole. You hook the eyelet there so the rod's bent. When you get a bite, this falls down and the pole goes up, sets the hook for you. We saw something with it and we kind of made our own custom design to it. Relatively easy to make and cheap.
Bourbon and brown sugar. McCormick's. So, a little bacon in there, a little butter. Shrunk! We had about 19 days. Got a nice hole right underneath there. That's what we came up with. Give him 20.
Oh. 20.17?
Hold it like you had it that one time, kind of at an angle, away from your body.
So it looks bigger.
So it looks bigger? And get your big dick fingers out of the way. Look at the head on this thing. Yeah.
That's a nice size. That's a beautiful fish.
Yep, yep.
Yellow paint mark on it.
Nice. Big square head on it. Watch his mouth. Or is that a one day thing?
Another flag?
This fish is for today.
That's what I thought. Okay.
Oh yeah, way down there.
Tomorrow's fish does not compete against today.
Gotcha.
So it's pretty much like two small one-day derbies.
Gotcha. Justin has a camera. I'll get it. We'll get it. Yeah. Get a flag over there too? Yeah, they got one over there running. That's just like the one. Hey, you have a camera? I just took it.
Nose to the board. There you go. So, 25 and an 8.
Was that close by?
It's not sharp. I just don't want to.
Yeah. Was that trout close by?
Yeah. Yep, I think so. Yep.
Why, you got a beast over there? Yeah, that's a beauty.
Put your glove down there and grab it. Oh yeah, 7.
Oh, really?
727.
27.
25 and an 8. 25 and beat him by a 16. 776, 7.
Whole family, a gentle forehead scan is all you need for an accurate temperature. The Exergen temporal scanner thermometer. Get yours.